minutes because Jesse went 110 miles an hour on the Seaford de Bay. Yeah, I'm vlogging. 4th of July workout coming at you soon. Probably pretty soon because I'm going to cut it so we go right to it. You ready for this?
Pull up to the scene with my ceiling missing. Pull up to the scene with my ceiling missing. Pull up to the scene with my ceiling missing. Middle finger up to my competition. I'm different, yeah, I'm different. I'm different, yeah, I'm different. I'm different, yeah, I'm different. Pull up to the scene with my ceiling missing. 2 Chainz got your girl on the silly, and when I get off the silly, I made her meet at the telly. When she meet at the telly, I put it straight in her belly. When it go in her belly, it ain't shit you can tell me. Hair long, money long. Me and broke, we don't get along. Hair long, money long. Me and broke, we don't get along. I paid $1,000 for my sneakers. Jay told you $100K for a feature. Sound on the bed. Beat it up, then I get some. Well, I might get some. Then I beat it up. I don't give a switch it up, live it up.
What's up, dickheads? Done with the 4th of July workout. We're going to the beach club today. We're gonna have fireworks later, a lot of food, maybe just a little bit of beer, Got that workout in, that's all that matters. Let's go! Jess, Dad, watch out! Are you kidding me, Jess? You idiot! I got it all on tape. Dad! Stop, it's not funny!
Drop it like that. You idiot. Those are actually pretty cool. Yeah.
Whoa! We just got to the beach club. Here we go, Big Buzz. Big Buzz. Show him. Got it, he's a phony. He's a phony. Quietly in the night. We just got here. We're playing spike ball. We got little Cole running around. Hey. Oh man, what a beautiful day, Jesse. What a beautiful day.
Hold tight, you're slowly coming back to life. I've been giving you hell, I've been giving you hell. Gotta let go of all your haunted dreams tonight. I've been giving you hell, I've been giving you hell. Gotta, I've been giving you hell, I've been giving you hell, I've been giving you hell, I've been giving you hell. Keeps a darker place to lose control. You're not alone. And when you come looking for embrace, I know your soul. I'll be your home till you can breathe on your own. coming back to life. I've been giving you hell, I've been giving you hell. Gotta let go of all your haunted dreams tonight. I've been giving you hell, I've been giving you hell. Gotta, I've been giving you hell, I've been giving you hell, I've been giving you hell, I've been giving you hell.
Last activity at the beach club. Nick sucks at spike ball. Last activity at the beach. Can I do my intro?
No, you don't have to have an intro.
Last activity at the beach
Tyler
club.
gonna start talking.
We got the spike ball. Here we go.
I didn't see it.
Honestly,
That is you and
Come on, come on. Hey baby, give it a try. I can find an answer if you wanna know why. I know I'm a nerd with giving all the play to the song. Come on, come on. Out of town if we spend the night out.
that's it from the beach club. We'll see you at the house for the fireworks.
Do you ever feel like a plastic bag drifting through the wind, wanting to start again? Do you ever feel so paper thin, like a house of cards?
What is up, everybody? All right, so we're here. We're getting everything set up. The fireworks are gonna be popping off. It's gonna be great. Here we go, Tommy C's.
fart noise.
Oh my God, I hate this kid. Hey, what do you got to say, Grandma?
This is the best time ever.
Yeah, that's it. All right, we'll check back in a few minutes once the fireworks going. What's up, Nickheads? We got the finale for the fireworks coming up, and then we got the Bandolero. Bandolero's my favorite. I know you're gonna like it, but first we're gonna do the fireworks show. Let's take a look. Here we go. Fireworks finale. Now we're just waiting on the Bandolero. The Bandolero is freaking crazy. Oh my God, I can't wait. It's coming up next. Here we go. Let's go, Bandolero.
We light up the world.
Got the lighter of the Bandolero, Jesse, folks. As you know.
What's up, Nickheads?
What up, Nickheads? Just go. There we go. That was it. That was the Bandolero.
Sparks will fly, they ignite our bones. When they strike, we light up the world. Firestone, when they strike, feel the love. Sparks will fly.
That's it for this 4th of July. I hope you like and subscribe if you haven't already. I hope you like this week's vlog. Stay tuned for next week's every Thursday. That's it. Peace out, Nickheads.